Cedar Mulch Problems. Made from shredded cedar bark, cedar mulch is cheap, repels insects and decomposes at a slower rate than other mulches. However, cedar mulch also brings some disadvantages that negatively affect your garden. Toxicity. New, untreated wood chips can release toxins and acids that may negatively affect other plants in your garden. Try using chips that are at least 1 year old to avoid contaminating other plants. Repels good insects. Although many gardeners love cedar mulch for its ability to repel unwanted insects, cedar mulch may also keep beneficial insects, such as butterflies, from your garden. Too sturdy. Because of its strength, cedar mulch can prevent your soil from absorbing much-needed nutrients. A process of decomposition releases nutrients and minerals into the soil for plants to feed off of in future seasons. Cedar mulch decomposes slowly, preventing this process from occurring. Allergies. Cedar mulch contains oils that cause allergic reactions in humans and their pets. Avoid placing cedar mulch in areas frequented by animals and children. Keep them away from cedar mulch, or choose a different type of mulch to be safe.